Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use rosemary and mint hair oil. First, gather your supplies. Your chosen hair oil, a wide tooth comb, and a clean towel. Make sure your hair is either dry or just slightly damp, as this allows for better absorption. Before applying to your entire scalp, it's a good idea to do a quick patch test on a small area of skin, like behind your ear, to ensure you don't have any sensitivities. This simple preparation sets you up for a successful and beneficial treatment. Now, let's get to the application. Start by dividing your hair into 4 to 6 sections. This makes it easier to reach all areas of your scalp. Take your rosemary and mint oil and apply about 5 to 10 drops directly onto your scalp in each section. You don't need a lot, as a little goes a long way. Once applied, use your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 minutes. This stimulates blood flow and helps the oil penetrate effectively. After massaging, it's time to distribute the oil. Use a wide tooth comb to gently comb the oil from your roots all the way down to the ends of your hair. This ensures even coverage and helps nourish your entire strand. For best results, leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes. If you desire a deeper treatment, you can leave it on overnight. To protect your pillow and enhance absorption, cover your hair with a shower cap or a silk scarf. Finally, it's time to rinse. When washing, you'll likely need to shampoo your hair twice to ensure all the oil is completely removed, preventing any greasy residue. Follow up with your regular conditioner to keep your hair soft and hydrated. For optimal results and to truly see the benefits of rosemary and mint oil, aim to incorporate this treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key for healthy, vibrant hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.